You never have to feel guilty eating ice cream ever again. This is made from milk and real fruits only. No sugar. This is how I make my healthy homemade ice cream. I slice different fruits and freeze them. I just use regular milk for creaminess. You can use heavy whipped cream if you like. The frozen fruits will give the icy consistency. If it stops blending, just flip the container or shake up and down. You can also add ice to blend if you want it more icy feel. Here's how it looks like when it's done. There's your homemade ice cream. Ready to serve.